Whoa, my flashlight's on. That's not supposed to be on. Today we're looking at my main 4x4. This is the MGC 4x4, and it has two different lubricants in it. The thing about the lubricants is they're actually from different stores, so you'll have to get them from two different places, which if you don't have a problem with that, that's perfect. But I know that some people are loyal to Speed Cube Shop and others are loyal to the Cubicle. I'm personally a Speed Cube Shop guy. I think they should sponsor this. This should sponsor me, but they're not yet. So let's just keep plugging them until they do. So this cube contains Solar from Speed Cube Shop and DNM 37. Now the DNM 37 is only on the outside pieces. Solar is on both the outside and the inside pieces. I'm gonna let you guys listen to the cube now so that you can see why I like it. So if the sound doesn't sell you, it's a genuinely fast cube with great control. There are occasional lockups because no cube is perfect, but other than that, corner cutting, great. Reverse, not so great, but great cube. The cube is the MGC 4x4. I'll link that in the description. Again, the lubes are the Solar and DNM 37, both from Speed Cube Shop and the Cubicle. I'll link everything down below. And now let's talk about some field testing. So let's talk about times. Obviously, times are based more on skill and experience than it is the cube, but I think the bigger the cube, the more important the cube gets. Obviously, the same time that I'm getting on my GAN 13, I'd only be like a second slower on a Rubik's brand. But the 4x4 is different because this 4x4 is actually matching my turning style correctly. Other 4x4s are way too loose that I find, so this 4x4 comes pretty nicely tight. I do still recommend obviously putting in the lube, but don't mess with the tightness. I think the tightness should be stock. Same with the springs. The cube is going to come with an extra set of springs. Unless you are a super pro Giga Chad elite cuber that holds 69 world records and 421 competitions, I don't think that you're gonna mind the springs that much. I've never tested the other ones, so I could be completely wrong, and those springs could be like what is preventing me from getting a world record right now. But my PB is actually on this cube. It's not in this video right here, but I got a 53-second solve on this exact cube, which is my PB. And in addition to that, I did get sub ones after finishing setting up this 3x3 with the D in it. Did I just say 3x3? This is a 4x4. I did get sub ones after finishing setting up this 4x4 with the DNM 37. Now, I recorded a lot of practice solves, a lot of field solves, so I'm just going to let you watch these videos. Feel free to skip ahead or speed up the video however you feel necessary. Just compare your times, and I should have done the scrambles. I didn't save the scrambles, unfortunately. But just keep in mind how well you're doing on 4x4 and take like 20 seconds off when you use this cube.